Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are showing you how we make our super immune boosting and skin glowing juice. We wanted to put together a juice using some simple and affordable ingredients. Ingredients that we all have in our fridge on a day-to-day basis and can easily be picked up from your local supermarket. So the ingredients that we are using for this recipe is some ginger, lime, turmeric, carrots, oranges, and some apples. Now I'm going to start by washing our fruits using baking soda. If you've watched our videos before, you will see me use the baking soda to wash our produce. This is because it removes any unwanted dirt and residue more effectively than water. As I prepare my fruits and juice them, I will go through some of the key benefits they contain and have in common. So, starting with our oranges. Oranges are high in vitamin C and contain properties to heal and protect your skin cells from damage. Oranges also helps your body to make collagen, which is a protein that gives you smoother skin and will have you glowing from the inside out. They also contain immunity boosters and improve digestive health. Next up is our apples. Apples are great for gut health as they reduce cholesterol due to the antioxidants and fibers they contain. They are also great for weight loss as they ease inflammation and satisfy your hunger for longer, again using the fibers. Now it's time to add our carrots. Carrots are mostly known to promote healthy vision, but also are great for weight management as they contain fibers and are made up of 88% water, which then boosts fullness. Carrots are also high in vitamin A, which aids the immune system in making barriers against germs and other infections. Next, I added our ginger. Ginger speeds up the digestion process, which then empties your stomach quicker and helps burn fat more efficiently. Ginger improves the health of your skin with antioxidants. The antioxidants protect the skin from rays and slows the breakdown of collagen. And for our turmeric, turmeric has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which all aids in gut health. As well as helping the gut, the anti-inflammatory elements also help the inflammation of the skin and help the skin to achieve a brighter glow. Now that all these ingredients are in, we're going to strain off any pulp before squeezing in our lime juice. I roll the limes first to help release the juices easier. Limes are another fruit that are high in vitamin C and improves the absorption of iron from plant-based foods. This helps to decrease the risk of iron deficiency for those on vegan and vegetarian diets. As well as the health benefits, the citrus of the limes will add a nice zesty flavor to our juice. Once you stir your juice together, all that's left to do is pour and enjoy the amazing benefits this juice has to offer. All the ingredients we use today promote so much more health benefits than what was listed in today's video. They all have these in common. They aid in gut health and help maintain healthy glowing skin. We hope this video helps. Give this recipe a try and let us know what you think in the comments. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for more videos from Naomi's Kitchen Cuisine. Have a blessed day and thank you for watching.